gukumaniwa n'abanyagitari bamarwire ao nabo yabamanyi bande bayatungityo bochenu kumurikira marwire no bubwenia nyoro muroberio bubugima no bochenu na Caroline Mausa kirari tukule Jumatatu chinsa ibiri chabutuko ime Ensoko TV oburuso bumugusi Eye Ensoko TV oburuso bumugusi
Mwanchumo rigereria Ensoko TV oboroso bomugusiri tukoria 25 so mutinyo kabero mwaka wechile fubera 25 ari muno kugenda kwane bona kwabokire bya kwagenderero bya andonsi asore asemambia yabona seri tukerigaria Jumatano aso kwerigeria so bwonchereria semirimo yago na andonsi asore asogendera tekobwatia emeroberi yonsi Ensoko TV kuro chinse 12 cheke mambi gwekera boni gachiara gere chinse nye chabono mabinde chidakikanke cha etregoro cha Afrika ya mochengo kwarigania so muroberi oyega bwetorobini aso gochego chaka kumurekera aliagendera korekana ya korekanire na boigo aya etire kurwa chinsemo kurwa sensemo ya siasa tugende asa mangana bwatikaine no boremi ntorigererie obunchiriri nonyena ase obokore ya serikali ase chi county chaito na boigo na yande amange ayuga niri kumanya na boigo kubwati mambia ya bono bunagendera tokorekana kurwa ase ebinyoroime kurwa ase ward yago aso kurwa sensemo ye bunge yago ase county na boigo isko yense yaito ya Kenya. Karibu tosanga so bwamo gwetera senchire yo mutandao gwekerero Facebook urabega sensemeria ya YouTube Ensoko TV na boigo gwetera se namba ya mawasiliano ase ujumbe enyenge na boigo gwekera tuchikosoa ase nkwani ya itemambia bono ase tuguchigo kwanera ayarengete gose ayabwatikaine bose popachorbo mwaka gwechile fubera 25 na bire na mono ase taro ya matukata to yensemeria kwameria serikali ase orgongo rwagusi ase ngochigo sanga amo no yokurkurana ya Brian Machoka na boigo oyo manyakaine buna Brian Kiore ime yomorobero gwetorobini asiri tukeriga ria Jumatano magiga gose nyuma yoko raimanya mange aliagendera tasema byabona enamba nigere noti 5 na ibere 5 na 3 5 na 3 5 na momara 5 omwerio beka 3 tosanga sobwamo eriatariane Ishmael Mogere Asomo chakane mambia bono abarayi ba United Opposition bakoragwa na Daktari Fred Matiang'i, Rigathi Gachagua, Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa na Peter Munya nigo bagendere netare yabo imeyorgongo rwagusi engakirituko ria rero etare yogoso aserituko ria gatata sensemo yogembo kenyenya nyamache na boigo bachigo ikasensemo ya Masimba. Abarayi yabo nigo bamochirie gati abarayi kurwa sorongo rwagusi au bakurwa ensemo ya serikali asoko batumeka bamura erikoreta ose goturubani emesangrekano yabo na boigo ko basaba bagusibonse asubwamo kumusira Daktari Fred Matiang'i asiganga yaye yokorigia ekergo kyoburayi wense ya Kenya tiango turarigereri nariyaya agendera tukura sorgongo rwagusi aseritukeriga ya gatatu asemambia bono.
Hatutaki maneno ya kwenda kukomboa na kurokota watu kucha kuingilia mikutano ya watu, kwa sababu una uhuru wa kufanya siasa yako vile wewe mwenyewe unataka, na kiongozi yeyote ambaye anataka kufanya siasa ya uchafu kama hiyo, sisi hatuwezi kukubali. Na kunyamaza, tumenyamaza ni kwa sababu sisi tunaheshimu sheria na tunaheshimu katiba, lakini haimaanishi tutaendelea namna hiyo. Waelewe kabisa, haimaanishi tutaendelea namna hiyo. Kama huo ndio mchezo wanataka kucheza, tuko tayari hata huo kucheza, na tutaucheza sawa sawa. Wajiheshimu, wafanye siasa yao kwa heshima na wakae na heshima kwa wengine. We chose democracy. We chose multi-party democracy, which means every party, kila chama, hata yangu mimi mwenyewe, hata ya rais na ya wengine, wako na haki kwenda mahali popote Kenya hii kuzungumza na wananchi. Lakini kwenda kulipa watu usiku kutafuta pesa, eti watafute kisu na wengine kuua watu wengine. Niliona wakati tulikuwa na by elections za ile Nyamira, mjumbe moja kutoka hapa wa UDA eti anatembea na watu na gari ambazo hazina number plates na mishale na mpanga kujaribu kuua watu. ninawaambia hivi, anisikize kwa makini. Hiyo maneno tumemaliza sasa na ikome. Tumalizie hapo. Kwa sababu kuanzia sasa kuendelea mbele, kama hayo ndio maneno wanataka, tutawafundisha vile inafanywa. Sawa? We will not accept, I will not be intimidated at home. I will not be. This nonsense must come to an end. Upusi kabisa waje. Hakuna mtu, mimi wacha niwaulize, hapa kuziba mitoti kama boli. Mimi nimetuma watu kwenda huko Sugoi kuinterfere na mambo ya huko. Nimetuma watu kwenda kuingilia mambo ya wengine. Mbona sisi tuingiliwe tukiwa hapa nyumbani? Eti unajaribu kunitisha hapa, kututisha hapa, to intimidate me.
Siku mimi nimekuwa na Kasongo, aliniambia atalete industrial park hapa. Tukakuja naye hapa Nyamira. Imejengwa ama hakuna? Unajua hii mtu, kwa sababu tulikuwa tunakaa pamoja tukikunywa maziwa na yeye, ile inaitwa musiki pale State Lodge Kisii. Nikamuuliza, na hii maneno yote umeahidi, hii ya industrial park itafanyika namna gani? Akaniambia, wewe Rigiji, acha maneno mengi, hiyo ni siasa. Hiyo ni siasa. Sasa lazima ufurahisha hii wa Kisii. Akaniambia hiyo vitu haiwezekani. Ndio hii mtu mimi nikakosana na yeye kwa sababu alinitumia vibaya. Tunaenda naye mikutano, tunadanganya watu. Mambo ya airport, akasema tufunge Suneka ijengwe Sironga. Kufika pale amepindua, airport ilikuwa ikuje Kisii, amepeleka kwake nyumbani Kirigoris. Sasa wa Kisii hamuna airport. Alafu sasa mtu anakuja kuambia nyinyi ate 2 term. Kwani nyinyi ni wajinga? Nimesikia Ruto jana aliita mkutano na ile vijana vibaraka wale wanasumbua hapa Kisii. Huyu anaitwa Osoro, mwingine anaitwa Nyakundi, na ile kijana anaitwa Jahil. Ati anauliza kwa nini Kalonzo na Wamalwa na Rigiji wameenda Kisii. Wewe Kasongo, sikia. Keep off family matters. Waachana na mambo ya familia. Si yako na familia yake? Si afanye mkutano ya familia yake? Familia yetu ikikutana iko makosa? Si lazima tukutane tuongee mambo yetu?
Sisi tumeamua tangu jana mtupe huyu Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Tutatembea pamoja. Tutaenda bega kwa bega hadi turudishe William Ruto wapi? Tumrudishe wapi? Ili turekebishe mambo ya hospitali na afya, Ruto must. Ili kurekebisha mambo ya elimu, Ruto must. Ili kuacha mambo ya majenzi kuwawa, Ruto must. Na sisi tumesema bwana Ruto hawezi tuzuia kuja Nyamira, hawezi tuzuia kuja Kisii. Jana ametoa wahuni ati sisi wageni wa Fred Matiang'i tusikanyage hapa. Hapa ni wapi? Hapa ni wapi? Mumetukaribisha. Ile katiba George Anyona alipigania na Raila Odinga. Katiba Mulira na Jaramogi walipigania. Katiba Rubia na Matiba walipigania. Inatupa ruhusa twende hapa Nyamira, twende Kisii, tusemezane na Wakenya wenzetu.
Kenya inahitaji wachapakazi. Saa hii watu tuko nao ni watu wa mdomo tu, mdomo mingi lakini kazi zero. Tunawezaji mtu wa watu wachukue serikali, wakute elimu iko sawasawa waiharibu, wakute afya iko na mashinda kidogo waongeze zaidi waiharibu. Sawasawa? Kila kitu ni kuharibu. Ile ilikuwa inafanya kazi inavunjwa na wizi wa ajabu. Hari yote ni kuiba. Mali ya umma ni kuiba. Tunaweza endelea namna hiyo? Tunaweza endelea namna hiyo? Wangapi wanasema lazima tuwang'oe? Wangapi wanasema lazima tuwang'oe? Wangapi wanasema hivyo? Na mimi naona timu hii iko hapa ya opposition. Tukishikana pamoja, hakuna kitu itatushinda. Ama kuna kitu naweza kutushinda? Kuna kitu? Hiyo tunawang'oa asubuhi. Ile tunahitaji tu ni utaratibu wa uwazi ambao utachagua yule atakuwa kiongozi wa kusimamia hiyo kura. Tumushike pamoja, tuchunge kura. Na mtachunga kura watu wa Kisii? Mutachunga kura kama vile mulichunga kwa zile by election zile Dr. Matiang'i alisimamia vizuri, mukachunga tukang'oa hawa huko. Kwa kura inakuja pia tuang'oe namna hiyo, na tunajua hakuna wizi wataweza. Utaiba nini kama hauna chochote? Kama hauna kura utaiba nini? Utaiba ukiongezea nini? Na wakijaribu hiyo, tuko nao hapa kwa hapa, sawa sawa.
Jana viongozi hawa walipita pale mahali inaitwa Mulot, wakapita mahali inaitwa Bomet. Jana nikaona kijana mwingine, kijana mdogo anaitwa Aaron Cheriot, anajibizana na viongozi, anaambia Rigathi Gachagua hajapatiwa nafasi ya kuongea kwa watu ya Kipsigis, watu ya kutoka Rift Valley, watu ya kutoka hapo Kipsigis wako na nafasi Kenya hii. Wewe mtu anaitwa Aaron Cheriot, tukiwa pale Senate uliniambia ati watu ya Kipsigis hata wasipoletewa maendeleo watapigia William Ruto kura. Nataka tukwambie hawa watu walichagua William Ruto, upende usipende, lazima wapate maendeleo, na hata msipoongea kwa niaba yao, Rigiji yako hapa atazungumza kwa niaba yao, na wewe hauna nafasi ya kupeana. Wewe si wewe unapatiana spokesman. Kama wewe umeamua wewe mshikane na Kasongo muibe pesa ya wananchi, viongozi ambao wako hapa wataongea kwa niaba ya watu wa Rift Valley, wataongea kwa niaba ya Kipsigis, na wote watakuwa ndani ya serikali.
Gotigana na serikali enene nigero bereti guchikubwaterana na serikali chechi county erigotingia omuroberio bokwe madini ya senchira yo kwenyorera enengo asaba menyi bechi county barachikwenyorera egetari engaki dhahabu eyo ekoywa korangano mo waziri wa madini na uchumi y'ebintu bya Roch Hassan Joho nigatebire wizari yo nigebwata data isaine kurasi county chonsi emerongena na isano na ibire echo chikorokia ase amadini are anene mono ase amadini ari ye dhahabu.
We now have the responsibility to unlock mining in this county in a structured way. Na mimi nataka niseme why we are here is to engage you. Mutupatie ruhusa, we explore it further. And then we now invite proper investment. Proper investment. Unajua kama hii dhahabu ambaye watu wanasikiaga you find someone like the other day when people of Kakamega were making a lot of noise, you will be surprised when we went to the ground, the people were very receptive. Wale wa mwenyewe, wale watu ambaye wachana na hii siasa ya watu napiga huku mdomo kwa TV. Ukienda mashinani, is like the way Governor Mudhomi here spoke. Wengine ni wajuaji tu, they want relevance. Wanataka tu waitwe, waambie sasa fulani bin fulani ama senator ama nini, hebu kidogo calm down bana, alafu wakuulize nitapata nini. Na sisi hiyo ndio lugha kwetu, hatutaki kujua. Hiyo ni kama ni ndio ile inaingia ile kama ni mbaya acha ikuwe mbaya. Si ndio? So that we do what is right for the people. And Hari Kimtai here and the team were in Kakamega the other day. And people were receptive. They were saying, show us the how. And if you calculate the numbers, you show them the numbers, the figures. We showed them, my team showed them the 1% gross. 1% gross. Hapa kuna ma-CEC, si ndio? Kuna CEC wa finance hapa. Ni wewe? Sasa wewe, unajua $6 billion. Aya, sasa kule, kuna $6 billion finding. First finding. Hawajaangalia bado, exploration is still ongoing. Sasa kuna hii kitu inaitwa 1% gross ambaye inapewa hawa wananchi. We calculated the community was going to get how much, Ari? 6.8 billion. Yes. Can you imagine the 1%? 1% gross amounts to 6.8 billion. That goes directly to something called community development committees who have an agreement with the mining companies. Governor, how peke yao wanadungwa $6 billion? Kenya shillings. How? 1%. Now ni sio Kakamega County. It is the affected community. Hapo huwezi kosa shule, wakitaka kujengea hata university wanajijengea. You have not calculated the 10%. There is further 10% of the royalty that goes back to the community and 20 to the county. Sasa mtu anakuambia ati sijui msikubali hiyo mining. Kuna mzee mmoja wa kaya kule Mrima alituambia babake alipata hii Mrima, na akisema Mrima iko na mali, babake akafa. Sasa yeye ndio mzee wa kijiji. Anasema mimi sitaki tena kusema Mrima iko mali mpaka nife. Alafu watu wangu waseme tuifungue sahihi. Umeelewa? Tuifungue sahihi. Kama iko mali itoke sahihi. Kama itadirishia watu itadirishia watu sahihi. Kama ya watu wapate riziki yao wakule jamii zao ni sahihi. Mining is always misplaced. Watu wanaongeaga mining kama vitu zingine, but mining is very critical in this country. Amenambia he found his colleague from Kilifi asking for 900 million. Sema huyu ana mine nini? Kaambia saruji tu. Saruji ya kujenga manyumba na mawe na ballast. Na yeye he's demanding from us 900 million of his 10% share of royalties. Of his 20%, sorry. There is further 10% for the community. The 20% the county is demanding of us is 900 million. Then if you come to Kwale, we are releasing one mining site, Governor, one mining site that is known as Base Titanium. We owe the county Kwale 1.7? 1.7, but currently we are releasing 1.1 billion. 1.7 billion, and currently we are releasing 1.1 billion that had been gazetted by the Treasury to the county. Now, Governor, I made a joke with you. Like I said, if we properly open up Tharaka Nithi, properly, this county will be telling the National Treasury, when you have our exchequer release, you can send it. We're not in a hurry. We're okay. I'm telling you.
As the people who are exploiting the minerals become rich, we would like our people to be richer by changing their lives. When the people who are around where the mines are get richer, equally, we would like that county government of Tharaka Nithi, which is represented by the devolved unit of government, also to get their share and also have resources that can make their people richer, so that we can have a win-win situation, all of us. We do not want to hear situations like the one we have had in Turkana and Nigeria. Yes. I was in Nigeria a few years ago. I'm sure you've been there, Your Excellency, where from East Africa, we know Nigeria is a country where oil is a lot and it is found everywhere in Nigeria. And therefore, they make a lot of money from it. But when you go to Nigeria, the queues for people who want to fuel their cars or want to have fuel for their generators is normally half a kilometer long and winding. What is the problem? It must be the way the oil has been managed in Nigeria. Maybe it belongs to a few cartels. So we do not want a situation whereby we have a rich man somewhere in the Tharaka constituency who is having a camp that even the employees are living in areas which have swimming pools, but our people are fetching water from the river, which is contaminated with copper. We want that richness or the riches to permeate. We would like it to be infectious by osmosis. So that if a rich man is here, we want at the end of the line, we also have a very rich woman who used to be a peasant farmer. If the minerals that are below where we are not exploited and they come out and we become beneficiaries, all of us, then those minerals are useless. They are not useful to us. We still die of poverty. We still languish in non-development or in that poverty, yet we have a lot of resources below there. And if we don't have the technology ourselves to get them out, then we have to collaborate with those who have technology so that they can be able to get it out. But when they get it out, we'll also wish.
Asense moyende komite korana korigereria harionsi ara sorobotirwa nadiko nigo yagikeri bororo ebikoro byechiboroburu asemesangerekano ya gesiasa ekyo batebire gekwerero bongora na boigo koirania magigaiga ngaya nyagose Raila Odinga no murai bwense William Samuel Ruto. Komiti eyo nigikoragwa na Daktari Agnes Zani buna umunyakerogo Javas Bigambo buna umukonyi bw'umunyakerogo boigo Fatuma Ibrahim, Kevin Kiarie amo na Gabriel Ogunda.
Kaunti ya Mombasa ni kaunti muhimu sana, baadhi ya kaunti 47 za hapa nchini Kenya, na ni kaunti 001. Tumekuwa na majadiliano na county secretary ambaye ametueleza kwamba utumishi kwa wananchi na wakazi wa Mombasa unavyozidi kuboreshwa kupitia sera za governor, na kwamba hata mapato ya county yanazidi kuboreshwa, na sisi baadhi ya majukumu ambayo tunayo kama kamati ni kuangalia kwamba zile agenda 10 mojawapo ni jinsi ambavyo ugatuzi unaweza boreshwa na kulindwa hata zaidi unaweza fanyika. Na county secretary ametupatia njia ambazo na mapendekezo ambayo kwa msimamo wa county na wao kama viongozi wa county tunaweza tilia maanani ili kwamba ripoti yetu ya 10 point agenda inaweza hakikisha kwamba ugatuzi hapa Mombasa na nchini Kenya unalindwa hata zaidi.
For the job they have done in Mombasa County. They have led us through some of the very innovative ways they've been able to ensure, for example, that the clawback in devolution does not happen. We've had these discussions, good ideas that we can also even share with other counties. We are the committee overseeing the implementation of the 10-point agenda and the NADCO report. We've been in various counties, and today we are in Mombasa County going to have the public forum.
According to the county secretary, he shared with us, briefed us on county government of Mombasa is very healthy in terms of inclusivity. He said 49% are women, 51% are male. And he has shared with us that every community is present in this county. I hope that will be a true reflection, because the county government is supposed to give us a report to that effect. The other issue we shared with as a part of 10-point agenda is the issue of right to peaceful assembly. That Kenyans, in their constitution, Article 37, provides Kenyans with the opportunity to do peaceful assemblies. And we inquired whether there were some, during the demonstration, some deaths, some destruction of properties, people who have been arrested, and people who have been vandalizing community properties and shops. Of course, he said that Mombasa had a fairly low level of destruction. Of course, there was some arrest, but we also inquired, do we as Kenyans have demonstration in the midst of the business square or the business center of any county headquarters? And we asked him his proposal whether we should relocate one central point where we can demonstrators or people who are interested to air their concerns of specific services or specific concerns or challenges can be located. And one of his proposals, which really I thought was a very noble idea, was to demonstrators and people who want to do picketing and peaceful assemblies can be given an opportunity in Mamangina ground.
And we had fruitful discussions trying to see how best we can exploit the opportunities that come with this committee. And we are happy with the progress they've made, the opportunities they've given to Kenyans to air their voices in terms of what the government can do for the people. We as Mombasa have given our proposals, and we are going to share a written proposal to the committee.
Ebunge ya Senate nigo yachakirie enkwana ase bunge yugukwanira igoro yokorigereria monchirio aganirie gokorwa aso muswada bwe bunge nene uyo orengete muswada uyo orengete obochori umanyekaine buna election offense amendment enamba ya kabere bill na boigo Senate bill enamba ya 25 yo mwaka bwechile fubere 24 omo senator Daniel Manzo bwe county ya Makwenu boigo no senator bwe county ya Kericho Aaron Cheriot negati yabarayibaria bakwanire umuswada uyo orengete kokorera umuswada uyo orengete kokorera amaunchorerio ase obochori obonene.
Madam Speaker, when IBC appeared before the Senate committee, of JLAC, where I sit, you know the law relating to voting under the Constitution is Article 86, which reads that at every election, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission shall ensure that A, whatever voting method is used, the system is simple, accurate, verifiable, secure, accountable, and transparent. Madam Speaker, based on this, Article 86 and the following articles which deal with election, every report which is made and every law which is made in relation to election, Madam Speaker, must conform to this simple policy of the Constitution. And it is very important that the arbiter is also must be seen, not to be influenced, must be seen to be fair. And for them to be able to give us election results which are simple and verifiable, then also the cost of the election must be borne by the country and must be reasonable cost of election. It should not be expensive or, very expensive election costing billions of shillings. The printing materials and the procurement of the same must be safe and the cost must be reasonable. We are aware that elections are won or lost at the polling station. And the system we have, just like Senator Chiregai has spoken about the systems in other countries, at every polling station, we should know who won and who lost the election. That's where it begins. But now when it comes to transferring of the election, problems begin to mount. And when you have the Joseph Camargos of this world and their system, Madam Speaker, there is likely to be a problem. I have been in the election petitions since 2013, and in 2017, the Supreme Court ruled that the election was not free and fair. It had electoral malpractices, and the presidential elections were nullified, Madam Speaker. And even statements have been made. The person who really takes care of an election is the member of parliament. And if you see the votes of the member of parliament should not, in a polling station, should not vary so much with the votes of the presidential candidate. If they vary, then there is likelihood of malpractice, and it is important that the register be updated, Madam Speaker. When the register is not updated, there is likelihood of dead voters voting, and it has happened before. We knew a mother of a prominent Kenyan, a member of parliament, who had passed on just before the elections. But after election, when we went to check the paperwork in that police station where she used to vote, we found that she had raised from the dead, gone and voted, and went back to the grave. So those malpractices do exist. They are there. Dead people do vote. And Madam Speaker, this happens after 5 a.m. in the strongholds of candidates. In fact, in the 2017 election, there had been cheating in 38 constituencies for presidential vote on one side and 16 constituencies of presidential vote on the other side.
Remember, the NADCO committee was formed as a follow-up to the 2022 elections and the protests that emanated thereon, which has been a cycle that this country has found itself in from as far back as you can recall. I think 2007, there were similar issues, 2013, 2017, 2022. Mr. Speaker, God knows about 2027 as well. And this is part of what we were aiming to address. But it's quite clear, if you read through the observations of the various, stakeholders that appeared before Justice and Legal Affairs Committee, it is quite clear that Perhaps we didn't make it as exclusive or elaborate as many citizens would have wished, because a concern by those who appeared before us was that there were many instances where declaration of results was taking longer than usual. I think if you recall last elections, there were counties where, particularly, let's say in the seat of governor, it took longer than usual. And you know there were challenges. There's a part maybe where you find an opponent has realized they've lost the election, and therefore what they do is to mobilize supporters to go before the county tallying center, Madam Speaker, and ensure that declaration is not made, because we have put so much premium on the actual declaration by either the returning officer for the presidential or for county or even lower level elections, Mr. Speaker, which is a Kenyan phenomenon that I'm yet to understand, because in many parts of the world, Mr. Speaker, particularly older democracies, you don't have this kind of archaic practices. Actually, a declaration is made independently by the various state agencies, and that holds to be the election result at that particular time. We don't have this obsession of can the returning officer declare, either for constituency or for county or even the presidential. If you read, for example, the submission by IGLEA, who are one of the agencies that appeared before the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee, Madam Speaker, and I know for a fact that they have been involved in this litigation space around electoral matters for a while, Mr. Speaker. They posit that
asense mwendo mwanchu morigereria abatu bagati bakoragwa no muwakili Danstan Omari nigo bayasoerere company ya Safaricom asokure data ya bobisi yomosa David Mukaya na kwerera okubwato kwa emamincha yerichiko bono nigo baganete company yugwakana Mukaya $1 million asokoswanana na no bobisi bwaye na koirera okubwatwa na gochandwa nigo bagote bakero monto gwikabwatiri chiko na kero mo Kenya kwegwa obwana bwaye.
Gentlemen of the Fourth Estate, we are gathered here today as Danstan Omari and Associates Advocates, and we are graced with the presence of our client, one David Mukaya, who was recently acquitted by the courts in Milimani, Criminal Magistrate Court, for crimes that were fashioned against him, and the judgment acquitted him, saying that indeed the prosecution failed blatantly to prove beyond reasonable doubt as to his culpability. Following the judgment of the court that was delivered, we noted that the court indicated that the service provider, being Safaricom PLC, had illegally given information, personal information, derogating our clients' rights to privacy and derogating our clients' fundamental rights and freedoms. Subsequently, we wrote to Safaricom PLC to admit liability and forthwith compensate our clients for the mishap on their part, and we gave them a timeline of 48 hours. In the lapse of 48 hours, all the legal minds have met and decided on the way forward, and we have filed a constitutional petition before the Constitutional Court in Milimani, since we are seeking an award of 200 million in damages from Safaricom. This is going to be a landmark case, because we're in a season of the country where many people are being kidnapped, innocent youth are being kidnapped on the basis that the investigating authorities are going to Safaricom without a court order or any other telecommunication company without a court order, and they are giving information about citizens of this country, especially the youth, which then follows that our youth of the country are being kidnapped left, right, and center without any court order, or they are being subjected to the criminal justice system without undue procedure and regard of the law.
Now we are here at the invitation of Mr. Mukaya to represent him as he seeks the compensation for the violation of his rights. As you might be well aware, he is a gentleman that was arrested on the 13th day of November 2024. He has had to endure for a period of about a year or so the vigorous trial before the Honorable Court here at Milimani Law Courts, pursuant to charges, flimsy charges that were levied against him. Now, after his triumph, on the 19th day of February 2026, we've had to do a small postmortem. Well, after the postmortem was conducted, we realized that pursuant to an admission made by one Mr. Hamisi, an officer from Safaricom PLC, who was called as a 50th witness for the state, there was an open admission that the arrest of Mr. David Mokaya on the 13th day of November 2024 was actually instigated by Safaricom PLC without any lawful authorization. This is to mean that acting on a letter written by the DCI and without any lawful justification, Safaricom PLC led the investigative agencies to the location or the house of Mr. David Mokaya that led to his arrest. And for that reason, through the instructions from our clients, we have decided to call Safaricom to order, if not for Mr. David Mokaya, but for the sake of the posterity of this country. So that moving forward, Safaricom PLC will not be acting as or in the manner that they did, thinking that they can be greater than the Constitution.
We did write a demand letter, and this is the response from Safaricom. It's a letter dated 24th February 2026. Read demand notice dated 19th February 2026. MCCR /E1161/2024. R versus David Mokaya. Safaricom writing, we acknowledge the receipt of your letter dated 19th February 2026. Having reviewed the judgment made on the 19th February 2026, Safaricom does not admit and expressly denies any liability as alleged. We draw your attention to the fact that the trial court made no binding determination of civil liability against Safaricom. Further, we are of the view that observations in the judgment concerning investigative practices cannot be construed as imposing strict constitutional liability on a telecommunications provider acting in compliance with formal requests from law enforcement agencies. Any suggestion to the contrary is misconceived. With this in mind, your ultimatum requiring Safaricom to accept liability and offer compensation within 48 hours, including the asserted figure of Kenya shillings 200 million, is unequivocally rejected. This response has comprehensively addressed your concerns, and any litigation will be vigorously and robustly defended. Yours faithfully, Wangeshi Gishuki, Head of Department Legal Services for Safaricom PLC. That was the response to Mokaya's demand. Safaricom has called a judgment of a court as mere suggestions, because Safaricom is the bigger judge of this country. Safaricom has arrogated itself the purposeful decision to disclose personal data of citizens of this country and any foreigner in this country. Safaricom was there when the Data Protection Act was being made. If they wanted, they could have lobbied Parliament to say Safaricom can disclose any data to anybody without a court order. The act is very, very clear. Only through a court order. The reason why the police come to court under miscellaneous application to get a court order to say gadgets or people is because they are in compliance with the court order and with the law. Safaricom, remember, thousands and thousands of Gen Zs were located and picked, many were killed. We are not talking about a violation that has not resulted to very many Gen Zs being killed. Insensitive to what Safaricom has done. Three times the CEO has been trying to sanitize their actions that they never gave the police information where the young Gen Zs were. In their own admission, they admitted that they gave information of the whereabouts of Mogere without a. Three times the CEO has been trying to sanitize their actions that they never gave the police information where the young Gen Zs were. In their own admission, they admitted that they gave information of the whereabouts of Mogere without a court order.
Mano mwanchu murigeria soko chora Ensoko TV Oboroso Mogusina boye kubwati umurubiri oyo iga emambia yabora seboro nigotokora siomiri chiduka kego na nyuma yayo ningirane na yanda mange katuti kwa senkwane temambia yabono gosanga nabageni baitu babere au baikire ime ye studio asemambia yabono tuskara ne TV yago kwena nande nyuma yomutima komoke.
Eye ni Ensoko TV Oboroso bw'omugusi. Onye kubwata libolyo obosemya gusekero kende gyonsiguro yemirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri uko email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service itego toka samagacho hazina towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV Oboroso bw'omugusi. Magega ya televishoni y'Ensoko gwikasero yawo kwanyoriribaga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete senambeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia bokwenyulia ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono nabokonyoribaga lyabene liyokuralia asegete senieke asoliguri liyakibusani tulikere gose twakere simigwetire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662.
Asi miziki yabagaka eli abantu bakonga kongire chinengo chacha kiriko choga choga ya rumba Momelia kenena poto akele koye naboigo ntukwiba basai aba bakurwa jijenzi emisike kogenda bwange bwate chia talaku
le général Dangote anachukua anaweka oye mose kunambi Ricardo Momo oye mama Dangote
Netaliane Edwin Nyang'au Edwin mwana mboka nzube ya bololo tumerane kila litukulia Jumamosi kati ya saa 10 wika Ensa AM.
Nabalibe chinguru erikwe manyabona wataka kuchitana chiense Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Mbemo, Ishmael Mogere, Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke nakige kos kiamesa yamangana majia. Gumucho mano Nairobi, Kisii, Nyamira, nechingongo chinde chense ya Kenya. Abariki baitomba bakolentra mangana majia asenchira yoboikirano. Emanya mange na boigo bwatra Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo chiomugusi. Ensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi.
Mwancho muligereri Ensoko TV egeta senambe yemo aseliro baliagusi aiga no mugusi yakwa iguribaga na konyarako baga gotegereru ase chinse 24 asa matuko atanabera seiki. Mwancho muligereri Ensoko TV nechikobwata ase chi county cheto ibere chiagusi ekse county ya Nyamira na county ya Kisii ase njira yoboikeranu na nene mono ntonyarako batoko genda ase bali bali chinse mo chire isiko yagusi sichinse mabuna ichana kuru Mwancho muligereri elitonyara kwa batopo wa umugusi ora sensemo ya nakuru libaga elianyara kwa koigwewa na nemono ntonyara kwa batogo so sichinse mu Childoret no mugusi ora sichinse mu Childoret neranyara kwa koigwewa Mwancho muligereri ntonyara kwa batoko genda asibali barasa masamba una chinse mu Chiamolo aliaso mugusi yale emuletie tonyara kwa batoko ireke gusi oro no mugusi anyara kwa koigwewa asenchera enkeranu chinse mu Mombasa ntonyara kwa batoko ikoro nelio mugusi nere anyare koba gakuigwa asenchira enkerano aiga omwancho muligereria segeta seni ya Ensoko TV no gotuchi koba togokora eke korugeito tonyare koba togekora asenchire bwenerete mwancho muligereri aiga ntokoreri bina nekera obwato muchando wasiririo yo mino mwancho muligereri tonyare koba togokorareria okorari kwanya gosira asenchire bwenerete Ensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi.
Eye Ensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi.
Omo rigereri bwa Ensoko TV karibu na ide asensemo eyega yakabire mambia yaboro chinse chigaisana karongo kwarigania ime studio na ndeke enga kiende tokoswa asenkwani ete mambia yaboro erikoligereria amangana ao agendere tokore kana ase mambia yaboro na ime studio tini chebweka korende ninde nabageni abwongo chikwari baga bagukwani mambia yaboro ekerekeria boyo bago tumanyinga ibakurwa negati yebintu biri bagokora na moneke tukwanire goro yamangana bwatikaine na siasa na magendero ime yensi yetu ya Kenya ase emambia yaboro bwati wetera senchire yo mutandao gwekerero Facebook na wega sensemo area ya YouTube Ensoko TV sensemo yende namba ya mawasiliano sio jumbe yago enyenge ase okobore libori ose asoko kwanira kiriraga niko kwanira mambia bono nigere notice ano na ibere isano na isatu isano nemo mara gatano omwerio beka isato karibu tusange asubwamo emambia yabona kerongo chaka kurwase ensemo yage emambia bono kwani yangu Mwanchu Mogere ngakeri na ndbo igo bune nchire mu yokubika uburuso na sukurwa abaga sense mu yendeke runkere ukoligia kyobo bunge ne seme yo nsemo kiyemambia yabona nonye nase oyibwire buno muchakano
mbia mono mugusi ase kwabeta tigango kwaninga bwa irire buya bwa chinsa keredenga bwa kire nje sama gete gonkoro kwa Brian Machoka seitona aligusi kino menyeta Nairobi ande egasia nengo kora mono ne ya siasa nche no mwana siasa lakini under my undergraduate studies I did a bachelor's of education science nkabo mwalimu aende ni ndengere tikoboli kero chibosia ikiagara na nyoro robo manyi ubonge no boseri bonge kora siasa bono ni ntagete kubwate sia baminto ilinde torali gosenga ntokolega sinaba gusiye naba Kenya guchakera 2027 yes
Mbiamono Ensoko TV karibu sana ngiche ase ensemo yao
Mbiamono sana umuraria soko nyarigania seria tankoro ku Brian Kioro Nyamota mkoruarie county ya Nyamira a constituency ya West Mogirango a ward ya Bunyamatuta ward no murai wa sayende ari Nyamira na no mwana siasa ndo mokongu sana twachirega iga tukwandire mono amagendera itari ya gusi ime ya Nyamira na gusi na siasa iria ito kyagero maite siasa nere kogera twanyora magendero tari kende siasa nere kregento nere korageria abantu nere kwa abantu chigasi nere ko karasyo kwa moto bya chinse chisi kabantu bande bari gegasi ono siasa nere kregento oyo gokana siasa oyuro yamenyete senga
mbia mara kerato gitu chaka gosange mambia bono gwatebire rukuru ensemo ye bunge ya West Mugrango na gwikira boni ona tugukwana ntubwate abarayi bari bakwamiriye serikali ntubwate Dr. Fred Matiang'i na rubariganiti Eugene Wamalu Akalonzo Musyoka Peter Munya ntubwate babarigadi Gashagwa amona abarayi banda abange bakwatira n'abarayi barogongorwa gusi igoro nigo barenge asensemo ye bunge ya West Mugrango asukurwa no mubungo wo monyene tarenge aroro na ngakiende abantu ekerukolire nyone metande nchira chinkwane cha abantu chire nigo konyorana nenga kieria keroyomo abagusi bonse bakuru nabone ngakiye ikire yokwagacha enyumba yaito lakini ekere nyumba yokwagachwa murayogo ekeraste gotarirwa boyeka taharenge aroti turachakira asenseme yo nabantu barabona abange barenge ase ensemo ya West Mugrango turachakira
komento moraria ne democratic right yo kero monto kobe patia tegete ande mante mara mingi tucha to kwana mangana to kotebange gesaku kya barusi gesaku kya agere gesaku gete mante ndore bisaku na intunga bagusi ne gesaku to bwente ko bamo botambe mante korukarenga kiyo mwari twabeta bamo nenga kirya nyacha ari twabeta bamo ane kwa chaba mugori boito mbwa gato kanyora magendro sana nyacha ya to kaidete twanyora ta magendro chipara cyaro setuwe ngakiya bantu bayo te system ari abandi batari konyora mante kila kieke baene ngake chibona siye cha inchi arenge igoro ntu arenge ko ranga bono esa uriyo wa muhuri bwaito hono inga kende ya ikire manje hono ndo kumanya gochimo tuna ndi kairache nyasaye oretre Matiang'i umanye kane roche Kenya ngima oherre mbakaba guziba chiramu ewe verina na yarenge ari besa tiare ngotumika kwa mabrezi y'abantu manta abantu bari bacho batumira rebe sa tokora kwa mabrezi y'abantu batumye tubesa abantu mbabo cha meneme kutano yabo lakini eri twaro Nyamira na Kisi eri yarenge willingness abantu boisokya abanyene sauri y'ubwanjani bate abanga abagusi oikatobamo bone gemine tinga onde bwensi ogopingo bomo bwomo gusigesa kukyomo gusi tayo sabwe ucyara wako isiko yoborai abera iya nararanga twari bakoreta abanda abagusiamo bahakoregas anda bomo boito guchibere goto iratambe turi guchikoranga bono tokorra bone gase bite bingi bakiria cha entwarirete kana gieke maene onya sinaro twarirete tigasote biwo mugambi enya chipara njaro satu proper chipara njiro tubwati cya tuwenga kieria Kibaki irinya chairi ya boreti Kibaki bakaranga abantu babera ama akamwira kamubeke serikali ime chipara njara satu guchinyinge sana paka chia masabu kistima ncha msitu sana nono nyenkisi county ya chipara njiro korra che test ya wende no goheta sauri nya chaenga kenda bete minister ta minister of energy na kuna roads ya kaiwa amagendra gakorwa umuchumbo itori yarenga narenga igoro akakwana mangana ya kwanete tima intigo setararani reso nyarenga kiyi tu amangana yabe tu turinya chayare ngo boyo bogambi I don't know usanarane tikende tima tu sananchite political career yae sauri West Mugrango ngo ande to ko wodi ya munere bonya matuta specifically ni mai ndanga kyabantu banshito umwana wabokoro ku Matiang'i oro nchiri chato tata ngo mwana ito mogaka oyibone sabu ya etu asiekire tu akore onye bwamwira ko ndenjire yo basi tigagende mbate binga serikali mebare ngango kama mante bara wati bare serikali mengo kama bari nabo toko rambaro bawo kama abantu nkora bawo kama mono monomba bo roro sora keigo abo chafeti na oyonde na simba la twariko tema bare okama lakini wana rimo chumbo itawo cha kotebiga yango kamare e para roche na yemo yo kaitu ase bintu byonse West Mogere pare ndeteyo no nja se nkuru bridge nero kuro kunyageita kibirigo kwenda gochimoto ya pare brege e bridge iti nya cross ukurukare wono ga tebende ngo kamare egente kino ndege sinita cross bakabone gabantu mbara batabuga sistema no soro na kwenye wako monu ngote mara ko musebi into kwa na kwa ranga te mara lakini herechi stima njira musunga chiwende te babantu mantu bakabone gambaro barege sunten chipara njiro chinka chiwenda koros wakoro nyambao ja fetin kurwani bare baro sieta haruani ono ngo kama joka okama mose karuga wisto bamo obo bodu voito boto ira tambe no nyina abande bakonya kanya ngo ja fet babo yo tari binge bakonyora lakini to babamo ebinge sana turanyore tiganko example ira sote serikali omo bodu bwabagere ruto taste gusi akaraga ya gusi mechere kera ko to ko mechere akamuka kanda bakore ko irama kendroro ete no omo bwabo ntuba gusi kintu abwa to bomo ono ndo bwensi okopima omo boito manta na ro tare tigana bate kekemo atebetenga ese story koroma monyene koroma monyene ya korreki atatenga ese teri koroma monyene Kamu manyane yuyeke bengi. Jana watara ngare kote.
Asensemo yago machoka.
Yes.
Nigora sensemeria egoteba na chintunda nibere.
Ni kabisa.
Nekero kulire murai bwense kerago kwara nigo asengwetra senkone yaye nigagoteba na abaiga bakwamirire serikali babwati agenda ende yonsi no nyaba utenegori chigali. No nyatorochi barasorongorwa gusi no rochi kurbacha kiteli tukuria Jumatatu kurase county ya Nyamira mbasi tebosongo kwa rocha yakora karete kwa rochi bonchali bakana Nyamarambe na rero ngoswa barogembo bagende Kenyenya banyamache bagende Masimba kolega no murai bwense na bwega sensemeria ekoteba na chintunda nibere ni goma goteba na enseme kwa serikali tebwatia agenda ende yonsi nere na Brian otebirega nero essence
so ntedenda gotiringa ni elimu kurwa sen karanse tenche ritangani Matiangi eta turabiri kwanza Matiangi bia
yeba
Matiangi ngomolete ta siasa enga kieye kuchakera between 2022 and 2025 ngai Matiangi arwete Matiangi tale dirina bagusiboka. Are you aware of that? Matiangi tarete na bagusiboka. Matiangi galetire na abakenya ba Gen Z. Batetenga bono tuachire kurigereria tuwarorere nga amagosa akorekanire gatika bera. Umuntu torocho rase gotokonya Matiangi nande turi gukana Matiangi has a very good track record. Maegali torocha mangana ICT na rosetie turigereria mangana education security bakamotogi uye sana. Akakorega asiengia. Lakini bono intubuno mugusindo je nande ngosalitole because bono tuangere ko kolege nteke benga nege ntote kyomo gusibweka egento kyaringe kyaba Kenya kyangere ko kintu kyomo gusi which is going to be very very bad na hande ngo chikore go to cost onya to semerete Matiangi ria kabere issue iyo go tebanga tabwati agenda na maene osikolege likuru buna bacha agerete ke kerenyo mpaka bano bachite bosongo iko bari gutenda chigali go bagotebanga one term ekina kintu kinge meni kero muntu agoteno denga one term and you know engento ko chanali gele by the gusiali ntubwato mu chando kidogo siasa yaito ndukali konye korabia ikiega kesa devolution ya chite gusi ebintu mbire tugwente ko batuanyorire as of now because to kubeke governor ya cha yarare gasi tuateba one time tuwabe ko monto mongao tuwagendera kunya ko carry forward imechando uchibosi buna bono igatonya gotengana ki simba one time talibo irige lyo monto tokoleta ngoche bagoteba ngore na Matiangi machogu nere bono batete kubeka gusinga nero mugavana I'm one of the person ngo pinga Machogu sana because also go record ya Machogu even from the member of parliament Machogu nero chitalia agatera kwa gachare ngento ige sukuru gete galia sobo ige ti it costed 65 million also kwa ndoro kero kurunga pavilion something nkeyo umanye gocha system ya ekira education Machogu was accused of selling ama ruba ya balimu esa matanga ase mikutano Machogu yes, I'm telling you the truth. Listen, yango there ekere Machogu alenga matanga alia omo musiye naro osireta ali onyoreta accident
yebo nabwate bitabu turojera bate bitabu
Machogu akaenda alia sa matanga alia akamanya gutena gatyanga onde naro tigaletega omochi oyo torase kwegasi. You see, that one was a collected picture, even the Minister of Education and transparency in terms of employing teachers. There's a way akasalia. Kwarodi. Elia kabere Machogu ekerechi skuru cheri ngakinero mbura ya tuete nyinge sana. Eskuru eko gurumambia Machogu ameko mukabo tuko saa 6. Ate nga bona tukuli ko ole skuru tuwasukiri wochie weekend. Kwarodi. Koseko chiri tukuli ngao. Lakini at that time abantu bali bakuru risabaya giskuru cya Nairobi konye bayikire town ngwa roche bakasakaja Nairobi akanya ko abantu bande fair bayirane gusi that is one part osikuru ya bajumbe bagutara na Matiang'i their track record is complicated digere lyo muntu buna Richard Nyaganga tongi onyali bali chache nkikia gare tukarusi Richard Nyaganga tongi no monyali bali nkitongi akorere to monyali bali Chisuku ekera kuruororo nyali bali chache. You go and look at the latest Auditor General report ya CDF. It's 2021-2022 nere in the system at the moment. Iko hako tebanga Chisukuru ange ikomi which costed 12 million. Iko chitigire in a very bad state. Lakini chionzi chiakanire. Kwarori. Esukuru yoka masiti kobanga nerete egere so oboisi kwe kwa amaliba. It was the one which was given 4.9 million shillings. 4.9 million. Lakini tereti regardless of what chibesecho echichinde chions 12 chagora chigasira. These are the people who are working with the Matiang'i. Waroli. Kibaga and is a one-term member of parliament is trying to gain relevance. Kunya kotemali kunya kumanyikanali. Lakini he does not have any influence gusi. Na nyako tebanga simbat agende go se Matiang'i ache it doesn't matter because for him right now we cannot saying anate community ya kiromondo de chikura.
Okay.
He is not that much of nini. Ta kunyara I am confident. So I have a problem with Matiang'i because tabugati genta agoti umugusi yakoleta on board.
Okay.
Nde to discuss chi policy. Nki agocha koleta ekera bere president ngochare alete changes ase amangana ya bagotebe serikali ya Ruto tari gukora because I know abantu bali bagupinga ibintu bya serikali unabona amangana sha bapinga amangana housing but when you look at into those programs they are working. If you go deep to SHA it is working very well. I'm a beneficiary of SHA. It is working. Lakini abantu ababande they are coming in which agosari program yo colleagues.
Okay.
So they should tell us what they want to come to do. Eba ucha gosalisha balete shi NHIF usinkie kwa ucha gotolete.
All right.
Yes.
Brian ase ensemo yende kero kolgiria. Otebirera barai. Barase ensemo area Matiang'i na track record ya bakero kolgira bakoreri wabo mboli boikirano. Turachakera agutumanya so aseli boli dindi.
Nkagerete omugambi no kero kyo bochumba kobori. Na ndeni manterio mundateto kobori kero kyo bochumbe nko bare informed yebinde binge. Matiang'i nateneta gatebanga birogo mbirigo shikoyo direct nomination ya kiame ya Jubilee. Atebeta abananchi na bakwamwa. Onya mwaro cheria denge gusi abantu barade nkorangeri bakwane abantu banga. Ene democratic right y'abantu. Era atebetenga chiro cyo abantu ngocha kwanda bare nomination no nyingo tenkorangeri denge abasaye gari. Bakabasaye bakateba tokona turi nomination kutora anchwe sawa. Bara twange sawa Matiang'i gatebese democratic process. Bono gutara noyo mwanya abantu. Nabagusi bategetoma magutana barabu. Batwara track record imbatwara is the same thing in Naruto baro bagutana baro batara kora kende kiamana baro bagutana babo gachagwa baro bagutana na nyambabo kindiki batara kora kende kiamana. This up to the people to decide chinga kicha nomination. Inga ndotegetoyo onye ntonyo bori ntonto tegete goseno munga hauto tegete gosene ngajya koroko ensarima totegete gosene abantu nabange bakuboria musanya numakanero koroko ari mbaka nero kuboria obuhembi twasomete Kisi University yari bari chache kibara mutake nere bamoya nabana inchi bakwamwa tari Matiang'i ochukwamwa ngoko so atayo tagere goshikobetere abantu nomination ya igoirwe abantu tiga bamnyo kiba yabo nomination oyo koiru sawa bakorega sinere oyo kwangu sawa na bakana kakoraki bakumubanga twasi na barahitore wana kike na ndege ntonkero ya batebanga Matiang'i tabugati agenda manto tame tokateba intu agenda ito na yemo one time agenda ya kabere matianyura bintu mbira ara in public mona mone bingeri ya RSR gusi ngamangana security ya RSR serikali ngakyabwente kokorwa amangana ya education yo rese ira abantu bako reach solution na ndebi nutabwente ko kwane sa na korete mbaroche nyendi ya ngama sama temo system ya matem tarenge ko iberu iko wana students ngo itabarenga according their capabilities bamanya ngo kwenda gochia the man was tough in doing his things. He has a track record ya rese lebria okora matenga kitari kirensa sio kwenda ground siasa uchigoteria abantu nga eke na korre matiangito mama inte binta akorire na ndebi ya kwande na ndo reach solution twarorire okwenda gari ground no kwactivate abantu abatelinga kitu ya ike wono siasa wono imoka torani ntuka iga mangana ya magendro turangaye press ari rani ntori ko yubu yari yawo chunya kwana magendro mono bantu bari gutakomate richira chikorangere no activate ye ground koro kyo mundo yota siasa nga siasa nyo turabwate kura koraki buhate kura amagana ya magendro barangeri chimedia turi kora no government spokesman ngo tarangaye media tabanki bakorire president yako nda segete nkora ndakora enda ane ne kanisa mwana kanisa tadi siasa na bakota nkora sana ke ngokora ndekeiga aina magenda ko wese nkia gokora ari bone ground tebya abantu bwate kura tebya abantu siasa nere ya mana nere ko barageni tokore tuchangamuke ngarore track record yani nkibona kunya okwandra mangi umaje abantu mbaro batabwentu kwana mangana mangi track record yabo eri very clear na dogi matiangi mano tari ocho kwana siasa mono
umaite amagosi tokora iko tokorigerie side yemo ya matiangeria kore tubuya ntumaitinga there is another side ya matiangi ebintu bire matiangi akorete bibe sana ekera ringe bado si government ya Jubilee ba koreta na ande bone umaite na magoso mugwa na bwata na mange sana ditangani we are focusing on the positive side ya matiangi ngana chingeti ICT aga streamline mangane education na interior security baka uniform chigaje corruption ya inga
baka chigari ndo bate
ebintu bigakorekana ya
korekana chiserikali chon speech ya ure
lakini bali ba audit program yo batetenga obokora mbuga lenga samangane chi uniform ni chigali chiria ndo kunyara ku discuss that part at the moment
kana teyimura
kana tiga kana mwesere ngento ngara gotebia nonoche matiangi kana lenge minister na aliyo kwarocha abantu mbaro liva ya trended sana that time abantu bagaitwa bangi okwenda liva ya kira mambi kunyora abantu nga chiguni yani intentional killing medikro tigebe ndego nyomonda itire paraga baira city mortuary umonda bekire ligena akarutwe roche it means igaite tu intentionally
lakini asense moya ndekero ogukwanira iguru yebinte biga byonsi oyo rumurayo bono Daktari William Samoei Ruto ngaki yose na erorenge omokonyi bumurayi bwense ngaki igona erorenge omukuru erorenge igoro ya matiangi kerunte byonse byare gukorekana
lakini karukorigereri amangana leadership and governance toliko assess a regime depending on the deputy ukorigereri president correct
lakini because moya tokota na role ya responsibility ya ibuno mokonyi bumurayi
but you cannot blame Ruto for that again tokomote kiamana because at that time Ruto kwanza ambali kuigona na matiangi usikonyora bya sana eko banda balingi kuminyokani bobe matiangi kwanza akanyanyasa Ruto sana during that regime lakini tora atigayo again tokende miguna olengo mo Kenya nkwaro na matenya kwenda bake TV alia otebanga umungwano ita announce tie citizen bya kagenda alia Canada which was wrong kere koti ekateba mara 10 ekatenga mungwano oli was right Matiangi and his people were wrong so the problem I'm having is that abangwana aba timu yende na buto gwaje na tubwato muchando moke maite ntwanya kukosa muchandoro umuchana bora abamoke lakini aba bagocha ngo provide bare solution onye tutete kugendera as a county as a country abangwana abagocha what programs are they coming with chiko cha kugera tobe better kubugabuna bono tole according to them correct ekine ere problem bono bamenya kumuga batanga naki bagocha na Jubilee Party ne party ya Mount Kenya eye president ya vetenero for 10 years during that time ebinte binge bigakorekana in fact if you go back to the issues of education engakendo ngere balkoroka digital literacy program DLP program nere ya chizo bakatanga naki 2012 bakatanga kero mwanafunzi gwiki tablet do you know they supplied tablets up to 90% bakamyuka bakatanga naki it costed almost some like 30 billion a project area abantu abange teri gukora gasi biye because 5% nabo banyari gukore kutumika chi computer chiri buya bakabwata bagatenga likelyo tiga tutige bintebi toende twakane chibesa chinde ange 40 billion chichiko koraki chichiko kabone computer bali kunye dokanga rizane mbaye kunye something is a name there a computer with 35 computers a room for every primary school in Kenya, and the money was paid. Lakini karukulile saa hii the current system of education is facing issues because of a program where failed. Wono nga itukurushi computers, yet money was spent during the Jubilee government kuwaka na chi tablet chini.
Ribo lile gari ndirina aso mwaka 2012 wika 2017
yes.
Ngakia kere merubere yonsi ipi yari kokorekana na mona sense mechi semenga kieria konye umurai ukana Uhuru Kenyatta na William Ruto ngakiri konye mbaracha kagwatana nikana gosego chaka kogosa.
Lakini I'm talking about Jubilee.
Omokonye na rolingo mokonye bo murai bwense abuno bono ribo lile naki oyoro murayogo bwani go ku Daktari William Samuel Ruto engakene rero ngo mokonyi tutareka 2017 nigo barengamo nigo bari kugwaterana bagenda chiskuru bana bayigura chiskuru bagenda meroberi yetu bayigura meroberi yonsi pya magenda bari kugendamo bayiguramo
ekerole principal yesukuru no gwate deputy ayibune monto monene no tagete gutige legacy maega umungu anale maega yago kunyagotenga tige bintebi ayibune principal igo como tegerera gosogo okore gento kere right
brani eranere
omogambi gento ngera tebirenga tokorigeri positive side mono chiama tiangi torigori negative side mainte any normal human being wekatu ari positive na negative omo mwanya bantu ndonse obwate bintu byo kabire positive oitari moronge esa ori kiro mwanya bantu tubwate weaknesses chaito bato bagote banya sai wekore perfect oyo kwandra magana ari bayala matiangi chuzi na tebia serikali ni more serikali report investigation nero mwa bwenta ko karamuru report gete nyaruriende motebe ngaki yakorete binte bakabone gati anya koraki ti anya korwebu mainte one thing I tell people, never trust politicians. Aida abe serikali go so
ayo mwana sio soma nyetege ko roba baige minute na igona ai kwebaliro
yo na tabirenga don't trust politicians
yebon
politician nabo ka te cha ka kungaina wa kungaina era ma tikopsa kungainare aine chunko byo kwaka watebe keneke maine na naba na inchi bakerire manto kote ibana inchi ke maine bakwekura abone shida ya cha keire bona oiko montarje formula ayenda ina abantu osinga yo to etamieri aya ntangaria bo chikura anga ineta abantu libona irete agaika bakabori ngatoranya horeke ngakie bitaraba bone binte ngaga gatanga kondari e wifi ere free gasi no wakte sim free okoraki ki wifi inchi abekire kerase bona egente kyo goteba kia kwerende egente kya tebe kia ribayalo mogambi puto majangina tatia serikali yo report bakabone gati anya koru ekirete yemine tibono amangana na manga bwenta koba unveiled ende tunyara okoraki ende tunyara komanya otebira mangana ye chi laptop yuskuru ine ya agenda ya renge the number one agenda manifesto ya serikali ya Jubilee taribo Ruto na Uhuru na bari ngo kwana mono kwanza Ruto arengo kwana mono nyenko bwa Uhuru Ruto arengo kwana mono baka mangana ichi stadium Ruto nero rengo teba in 6 months time akwana tawo nyemono nyenko bwa Uhuru mpaka Uhuru bona era akirete
so will you blame
so let me tell you listen these people were working together the president is just almost equals as powerful as the deputy president both the deputy president and president then and they were together na bara influence montado suwegasi oyonda beko ine serikali mbaba gete umainte serikali mbaba gete ngakirie tamweri yabe ntangani uruta karuye yaba chimista chiaye president nede karuye chiaye they were equally powerful isa Ruto na rate chikura chiaye na uru akata tari ngabone ga chiabone ga chirenchira gete ngaga manto atenga ga chagona rate kende sauri automatically ngakiria baikoyo banjete Ruto mono bona ga chagwa tabata na influence timono na bonde bonse arengo piki wa influence bado wale ntongo bateberio mogambi keiga umuntu yogote abanga tari perfect mono egasiane rokanite equally na bakenya bonse kenyengima
okay
nensengima ya Ruto nero tete konya koranga chikonya korokana ya konya korata jota fandi to manyo ta fandi tu cha World Bank tari chia jiji beka system tiga abantu ba platera ngibona ko chakana waste ba serikali ba chi podium ti milioni na korosie function public abantu ba apply ebinendo tu aga apply re korukare kibasa cha World Bank tari bono chia chaka bono manga konya ko waste kibasa cha serikali konya kwandanga nkolonchore kwerende chine tiatia wana nki wamanya zati kibasa cha serikali
it's okay
chine kibasa
asokera nile asobwanga tokera nsemo yende
okay igento tetu igwane neke abangwa na baba linda ground bakweroka bono yange pale gusi egento karo kimanya
bali United opposition linda ground yomanya tine area Oburu alafu linda mwananchi ne area korogwa na Edwin Sifuna.
So aba bale gusi bono iga bali mbabu ati kende bagoteiba Kenya at the moment bono iga okorro muntu nde bwensi ugotenene podium onya kote abantu nga one time
ine agenda ito mugambi
so tianda gotebya nki mutaiko totebelingana ki tuarolire nga omuchando nura ikena kige tumete Ruto kera aligo campaign by the way, even if to some extent and about yang failure, but when Ruto was campaigning na bako tanga when I will come to power I will do this already abantu bakakera Ruto because bakamini ngo mungwano yo pakachi ukolege ntogete. That was the main reason why abantu ba voted mungwano uli talinga ba gitinga tari kurani agenda ya kurama Uhuru Kenyatta because kuligele bebya he was very calm talinge buna gashagwa bonega buna go behave ngakielia Ruto igarenge calm agati aba Kenya ndere tukini umuntu olense tomoleteko it's politics lakini wono abangwana basai they are not telling us what they want to do bako tengana ki simbarati one time kwarolire
ngo kwera ni magegasi nini otara kwandira igoro ya simbarati engakia kuru mwako 2017 gutira slogan inere murayo bona ari gutumeka yarwo slogan yarenge na hustler na no kwemukia Kenya kawaida yaringe hustler kazi ni kazi ibono yasteko bana nero slogan bakebekire ase kiama kirikia UDA engakie yo kerara goteba na hustler gose kwimukia Kenya kawaida kirasi kamanyikana na hustler kirasi engakie nyone manifesto kwenye taraje soki the same way SNSM ya one time no baba bana asaboniga slogan yabo one time to tikero slogan ya hustler ne ya one time singichaka ke manifesto
hustler is real because naboko ende ground yonyo umuntu go hustle hustler was associated no muntu insalia korolire and bakatanga we want to lift a hustler to a better person mama mboga is a hustler to a better person
serikali ya korero
karati antora ikabu kwanza ndara chiwe mangana hustling na one time ngoko tinga one time is just a slogan already but hustler is real because kwenda chipigipigi nzalia bakweroka chiasa it was trading and no in politics lazima uligereri ngakiyoko ya line n'abantu because nolete ko mugambi bwe bakenya mpanga y'abantu abange bali ibago struggle nsa ngakiyoko fit ya sebali and ngakiyoko tema ko babuna barabwo ile tasla ligati abangwana the only thing I can associate to hustling is high cousins correct that one is trying to unite the people because when other into nabantu it could be much better kubwa one time high cousin is better kubwa one time because kana one high cousin we feel abantu bakoranga obomugwachakira lakini one time you are splitting the people because one time everybody who is there is affected abantu baruto bonse baralia they will not come to your one time but the hustling nation no abantu bo DM came during that abantu muri bachita bange bagashift abantu bagacha say hustling because they felt abantu abange bali chi hustler let go and join to this nini to baba hustler to ende twenzigoro
okay asensemo yende asebekere mikutane yega usemisangirikano yege siasa yega ndire tukorekana na monokura asensemo area kwa mire serikali egotebekanana kurwa asensemo area ya serikali ni numukare go fund niwete kuna chigun bacha guturubani emisangirikano yege siasa asensemo area kwa mire ya serikali ekene oborimo
omaite siasa tiango tebi siasa ni bwata mangana mangi na ndi kwanza kerole side ya opposition okupinga serikali siasa ekobengia eseki otagete korolekana gukwana ebintu maite ko campaign ko tiama bono sayo monto ko tianga ki housing levy negentekebe sha nonye keregentekia in politics sometimes tocha to afa because no ene muntu ole siasa tata yetikote yo mwananchi ole skalingana ki this thing is good even if Ensoko soy system I will do the same but this way the other way mate also kwenda chinza chile developed asa mangana health kwali na education politicians Zimbabwe atingenda ba kwanoro because there is a policy there is nothing you can do about them education is just fixed it's funded 10 years sometimes so kero go chioro no MP nkiyo cha kote yabantu go education but in Kenya tubwate ba jumbe umuntu ago so alero nga utanga ingo cha gosoiga ngocha kubekande bintoga see continuous to go affect everything. But if we discuss issues what ngana ki education is good, we as politicians this is where I want us to go. But kwa nyoro muntu ole siasa na wanda bali kuzina na bangi kitengela, they want to play populism politics. Chirianinga basi kole kana na obara banta bangi nande ekere bara affected bago wagana sympathy kuri abantu. So how do they gana that? Bago chabali yo monto ba koraki ba urteti yaga simalia. Kwali ako time disufu na gukwana igana ere the main
Nyari ko goletia gas kureduka.
No na abantu abana siasa. You cannot buy, but these are politicians, they can
sento manye tena ebyome byonsi piko sitia gas bikobera kwa se bibiri bya sense mu yabanyanyimbo.
Lakini nowadays even crooks no nechibunduki nchiko sina basigara wende kutwara. Lakini bibagombi wali chibunduki paraga na chipikipiki. These things are with people. Na anda bana siasa na batakubinyora ebakubinyora bwango sana. So tiankole so abantu aba bagoteanga serikali ere kubanga maandamano no embarabu abanyene usikonyora sonko kere balinge Jubilee sonko monyene na atetenga naki nero liko samba chigali aralia Ngong Road chima tatu alia ekere bale ko le campaign nero liko samba chigali kere balinge Jubilee. So there is nothing yora so
timba ba ko ekere script
yaso abantu bali bakwe bangira elinda abakenya batenga naki muro chuna bagutuminyoki.
Okay, good. Byamano mwancho morigeri ya soko ndira kubwatia murobiri igani kwani ige mambya ya bono kuno rigeretie ase TV yago emambya ya bono inense meri kwa serikali bakoragwa na Daktari Freddy Matiang'i, Rigathi Gachagua, Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa, Peter Munya amona bara ibande kura sorongo rwagusi nabo igo imeyense ni county chinde ime yorongo rwagusi kerekalia emambya ya bono musangirikano mutangane nigora akorekane wose nigo genda tokorkana ase ensemo ya Ogembo kurwa mbachiko genda Kenya bakoru Kenya mbachiko genda ase semo ya Nyamache na gukorera musangirikano ya sensemo ya Masimba ayogendere tekoligereria buna agendrete ase TV yago emambya ya bono kitogendrete okwanira amangano ao emambya ya bono iga ase bono nigo tokorasi omeria chiduka keigo na nyuma yayo ningirane na yanda mange kitogendere okwanira yanda mange emambya ya bono toskare ne TV yago.
Alikuwa amesema
Eye Ensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi. Obulimira bwesire bunda bwense kolere tali nchira ndio sura krobulemi obiyoke enyoreri bagalia bene kwaegwa megerio chisemi nobosemia igori obulimi bwekerero nechikolinga
asobolemi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumerwa mate
tebone ngombe bune yengiya
gale konyana eyinsimegete ntera ngetia maraba ekonete konya kukina yo kamara konya kuyira nganya kwa mabuya
beka chibuti imokio bokombe to semogondo bweli nebisumwime na pathway machine
kile sukuri Jumaine chinsa ni bere chamorogoba weka chinsa isato asomorobere oberemi nobotugi ekero ture semia mange kura saberemi chini gongoro kwa pathway machine
asomorobere boberemi nobotugi ime Ensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi obutindiro bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore
asama rieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togo konya abantu bari amaruna amaryogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Etogo konya abantu buna umwana funzi orenge kwa ende university ongere gotumia maruna maryogo yogotindi amosariri wana yaikireke wango guikaru aligo panya oroyo onde orenge kwa ende kanisa otigire onge yakonywa maryogo yogotindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde obugima bwabo bwirane gochaso obugima obye
asamange twakirisimia namba 07068408 44. Betami Rehabilitation Center lichibuliyo gukora kingatale icy'obutindu. Warasiri gutara urugendo rutambe kwenyorera ibintu bicinguru bigutumye sitima electronic appliances. Sungusya electronics nintwe lichibuliyaho. Nkoni tore electronic appliances chonse buna ebirobu, power extensions, electronic water heaters, chibasi, chibetiri, solar panels, electronic gas cookers, egati ijebinde. Ntubwata phone accessories na boigo ntulene chibundi chikorose bintu tokonya. Ninchuwenyo regi spare part chie chinguru. Sungusya electronics boigon koros tole chispika chie kerengo kiguru. Icho chigutumeka asichikanisa nemega. Tuline sababu yo kole talentambe gucha kuliye byombo bunebe. Tutarira somo chokebirigo na boiga somo chunyamera. Wasa toakirisi miase namba 0784884484. Sungusya Electronics obokoreri bwekerengo keguru angenaye. Eye Ensoko TV oboroso bumugusi.
Karibu nene mwanchumo rigereria mambia yaboneka twandreta gusanga emambia eyega tugo cha sensemo yago Brian machoko tebire na kirege ntumoko na sympathy mukolikia yani nigo mogane timororerwe amabira kireke momogo kora inu na amabira mogane tie mororerwe na asa matukama kega twarare nyona sengaki yechikura abara imbere bagochorwa no nyeno murayo bono nyorenga kiye batebete na senge nchasa eri kura serikali ya Jubilee abakenya bakamororera amabira na giya stike kogera agacha gochorwa no nyetali murayo wense kurinde ebirogo byonse yababo MCA bono bobunge kogenda twarore mtebigo korekana sense mi opposition ni womo gotara na sympathy kirase asemo kogenda
omona intrende engete nkwane ya sympathy ento watebire ngabantu barochire to murayo William Ruto amabira
ine nkwana yabantu
kwane iteyo Ruto angainita wa Kenya mono abatebetia mangana manga bansu abakenya bagateba one asara ya minto ochande kira nga into chakira koni chingo kambaka itunga hone racho to kone rache ka chata konye atorore mose diliaswa amabera ali akaera obwasara boribo kaera akakira chie mpura chi payslip ikamwaga chinyomba wikamokoreke wanurika ngende payslip chie mpura nchira bako butorwa ebese ronko butorwa de proper okorra koroku nkorra bare kina kieke mahene ekantangero mugambia kwana Mheshimiwa kwana otebanga egendo kiria sifune tiagas mande ngendo ngoro sifina kwana tinganero moyena agatebanga kere tiagas nchibwate chi sirio chiao ngesa serikali tari kodera eratebinga tiagas yetari yabo ngeta dikubaire tebenga tari yabo tiagas nyaru to yes they are silent yeah so ande tiagas tari ngento konda kiago ruechiro na ande security check ngo korukire kele meeting yasa korekana na ande intelligence ngo tokere kirase meaning serikali nkomanyire mapape ngocho kugendera no yino mokutana yutaraba ngibata kwande to apema batebenga abantu bari mbaro babangete koreta na manage tiagas bakorega na ande yento ya gatatu abantu bari bakorete ibintebyo naro mashite gokorwa rwo chibabu winare nkomakonya baka karusu bakabe kugorogari ngibaka bone gatarabwa to denda chunguziro amaswali toko bo rende abantu nikutana abantu bakwenda tari bana siasa abe kutana je abantu bakwanda baicho ali abange nabana inchi ono riyo kwanda kwa rutetiagas usegwa kama sasi embeo abantu bachanganyikiwa kyo bachakomnyokana ono kibati mayo gunze nje abantu bakomnyoke abantu bari ngabaichirari abantu bari bagutachorocho no moyo kore gari gose mocha riyo gochi
kwalimire
abantu yategeye serikali baita tegetimo kutano korekana onde wasi opposition tigabakana mapema aliso korekana abeka security round abantu bamanye ngomukutano siekyo liba uko kanya abana inchi bagenda abana inchi banya gutwara magoso emekutana ni mbaro bakwanda bakunge serikali yakobako mbaro bakwanda bapinge serikali yakobako abantu bararia chifa bagwati family chao bachiraria family stagamete when you do that where did the humanity go ibintu bimwe byakora kurwa serikali gogoje serikali rutanga chakateba netera mange serikali yantese ingoja tingo korabo kumbe nere wono vile was no yenko bwa serikali yeri yare ngoro what do you want it to go and then whatever power is temporal, it comes and goes manta bantu baro ba kore bintu bagwenga milere na bawo chikobe serikali mali uru no arenge wona gata iyo ayamati angina watabi na arengo taiyo tiao kore bintu koriga ribonenga manta ribone shida ya bantu banga basoro borai bako bakorigeri go chia se future digeri ye future mambinta betyo ngego chakoba manta ruto era seta kalora bantu banda mabera gatatari gochobana bara bwesegi lakini serikali yo inde shua mabera takaiyo ebintu biriya okora ngabango soiga manya hindese gimo komnyokani tigaba kiesa ngo tori serikali mirere abata bokurwani na bara koreki na bara so serikali me yendo kende ngokwana ndutayo kuri sympathy abanta bonsi pi bakwanda bare busi abande bare serikali abande bose linda ground linda mwananchi kero muntu testiri serikali kero muntu onye kachagwo testiri onye matia Kalonzo testiri Ruto no are nandengo nonye babo wino mbari serikali the broad base iliye tigana na broad handshake mbaso ate furi mba pingete nonye no yomo sifuna ta pingete ribarenge very comfortable serikali kero muntu testiri serikali obya serikali lakini ngakyo ka kwaru amagendro are equally ochia sabantu ono tigato kwandre mono tande gochi gusinja atemeta konya ka kaigo ngakiri ya kibaki mono na horunja atemeta kaigo bone ngo mugambio ndabusi encharero ndobona naye no mwana siasa ore to kuisanza bantu tarabasera ebi meribeto to abwatenye chai byakura abantu bakirete nonyo ko chumba ikoro mo chumba ito wasti muganga na stega iga ako kwande ibintu bya yakanya atemati ya ngomoramire abantu kare bakanyore bonus ye chai siringi komi. What is the business of you being a leader? A group nero rimara cha wori tuguri swari agatebanga according to the articles of this nenjengo wanyane de swari chi factory CMS chire western
man
echi serikali chiro sem private ile serikali komo kauchokilia madeni hari ne chiabo chire wasine chiawa na inchi you know me I wonder hanga tu akoteto gakira bara ibande chikura my friend even mante kenen ke otobuate gusiyari mono nganyamira senkuru wetani oboremi krobo wakure meaning those people will be empty ona rede ko onya ngota kebiri gadi ko nyara bona bantu mbwa tikene bakoriye onya bona bantu ko baso oboke bago bahirigeri so when you are a leader hote banore serikali mengo kamore turi ko ndano nyina bantu bago ngebe chayo bantu bona abanta ka the loudest MS ko tanga posta ba rwanda timbaka ngakiri oru bakaleta oru agatewani mante mbwa ta madeni yorusiri oya ndeki ti factory chia kore ndari chanya mirange cyo wata madeni ya mangi ona chibona sia bantu bari tiye chaye na madeni unangana bawo kuranga tyatokiri ya madeni torrenga ye mesi ya renge erusu unanga baye bare iri mugambi ochire gari lakini ngende kino nyeruto nawe kware
no
tiana akwana nakora chibona sia sabantu to itira mono gusinto kunire proper manto ikato igambere ngento kiriye gotorageri ngaba gusinto ndo gambere bintu byisiko abantu ba central artist mbarangere tebuya central bakaragera buyamono western nabaro mbaye takira baro lakini baramba bwate Messi at least ngo ikonya bare usi mono ngito bwata mono tikara na south muganga bwo bwate soapstone apart from that thing kero bado chitakora buya chia bukara chicha wantu bachakira osa bunga bakora kibasimeke chia bukade chi na chira bakonya
ne Messi elia yonguru
ne Messi elia yonguru lakini mono roche ikento kire mono ogaria ne cha onya ino mugambi turi kubandira abantu bawo obatebinga tia toru wantu no nyene bonus ne runo nyenteni ekino nye 20 bota ya wantu ngantwaru waneti tokatema ya korreki yasukira keigo lakini yakene nkyo kyamano gokwandra my friend you should have resigned like yesterday. You are a disrespect to your own people. Turi kubandira
no igonko igubiya sana ekero mu sane yona gotyanga naki hata kete korora abantu bagukwanira ibyo nalo gote igoro ya programs bon in their team ibino ibintu tetekora bagukwanira bagotengana ki bagocha gucenji simbarati
na wa team kandi interview mugambi tuwagambe bakabara imbaro bachire mbaka koti mbari serikali ime lakini bare serikali bakabana n'abawakiri they are doing zero nothing
karati gake you know the government is devolved. We have the county government and the national government ebintu mbiro bwente gukoru at the usikwanda chi county buna bono Muranga. Is it Muranga? As a governor, a program get ya mabere irungu. So some of the things we are supposed to blame the right people. Muchibura bono gusise itanya na mangani chichae galia omo governor ito kose chi programs tu chi abuna wana soapstone which is supposed to be devolved function. It's not devolved but you see listen you cannot say the governor has nothing to do with agriculture in the county because there is a CEC in charge of that. Correct. Erebuno mos kiyeko ere governor kusimeka chi abukato gusi onya agriculture teri devolved. Correct. So we are supposed to look at the kind of leaders tokobeka service ikina ere shida ya nenje mbugata nande tubuganga tukocha ko change buna bona tokobeka machogu onya ga ucha koira ntuchi tukutwara imdebyo yako toeresaga in fact tukocha go sira pi kiagera ena go de machogu imagine machogu kira ngo mojumbe akorete wasko kwa Zimbabwe kira ngo mojumbe Nairobi usikuligere by the way chisukuru chinyinge I was looking at the list chisukuru chinyinge machogu arenge ku preside over igaruwe to katika chire incomplete in terms of development chi classes chi hall and all that lakini chibe chia kanle to almost 90%. Simbarati karako Nairobi ga before 2022 Dagoret North. My friend, there is no project that was left undone. Go and look at the records. The Nancy Gachungu of 2021-2022 zero. Simbarati karako ndagusi people thought he was the Messiah. Abando jinga wono tuwabweni.
Lakini ngwaro cheke kiare gyakorakanete as a stadium. Akotere gwachenjeti. Ngo dengana ki abantu bavuga will be a Messiah but it turned out not to be the Messiah that we bakateranga Simba netaye because konye barulenga ungwaye ebintu mbire konya tara akora abwene te gukora bona bakatea Simba kali kijana ande konye okorire gazi ngia Nairobi mete ko choru isiko ego kwa credit mono na ande bona story embene elinga egende matenya otema gocha na kero kio by the way it's going to cost us the same way it is costing Kisii County no chende kio bonogeri igendo kelino bokora abantu aba bagutumeka iri to bonogeri they take over the leadership but they are not speaking on behalf of anyone. Nkoboliga Daktari Fred Matiang'i asensemo ya ekerenyo ambura nabekere
tuchigotiaria
konya tarabekerwa arati nabekeretwe
nkijia to konyiri mu gusibon
asa babere kwanza ni ngobano asa babere ni ngobano
right now the person who is up to date Omonogeri as per the latest information no mongwano yo Matiang'i Matiang'i ne Omonogeri lakini egentongo tengana ki elietelio bonogeri ndiri gotoirande egenege pindi kyo gotumeka konyora siasa ngabono inche ngukwano ne behalf omugusi lakini ose koligere behalf ya these people mbali ukwane ligere abantu bagota who are their leaders bantu kibaje tekurwa bunabageni gocha gusi Rigathi Gachagua very compromised walile Eugene Wamalwa no maete si serikali ilia awota bintu bakoleto umaye gocha Amos omongwano libwa agriculture no maete bikole bakoleto last time timu ino cha bune echire gocha
lakini Kalonzo Musyoka katokana na yatabu atikemwa
Kalonzo Musyoka is a very good person in a wrong place. That is what you need to know. Kalonzo, by the way, if you look at his track record, is even much better than Matiang'i. Only that ata to serious positions, choko kora some of these things. Lakini usikuli tabu ati any crimes, a constitutional crime, akolete karali ngumu gambi. Compared to the rest of the people. So ekaroko nyora banta abago sasima Rigathi Gachagua monto seliri. Babigete machogu monto sere tigwe. In fact machogu anganere gavana se saleti kusipi ikiyagara bono yandiriyo chache kubi gavana konyo saliri chiskuru bono chile kobe gavana akabeko bosiesi akayoje binta akolete zero work. It's very complicated inchito gonde ngana ki timu ya Matiang'i ne chikoleta changes tutararora. There is nothing going to come.
Brian ekero kwira niria sobwango mono tubachi dakika 3 tokore
ngabyo tebirenge timu yero nguche kolete change mutararora change Matiang'i kana teba
tubase ko misku change te mo koleta
tiayengo eresere ni Matiang'i arengo mo waziri gocha twata ebintu mbira korte tanya gokoro mande karaka chiti twakarore ne chemechere bono ntwarengera tingari yarwete deadline getanga tabanga kromonta ende go chie system ya digital so abantu babwete ngo cyari go switchingaki but is tuned farm on institution nagateba tari go chugosuke mande chi waziri achi minister chinda ko rukara bawo korege nta abantu barra bata tumewasikia tunasongeza mbele. Matiang'i was very firm. Yet I think achi bus chance pichibe yellow akaweka deadline abantu bakawingo sukubali techiye ziko change. Onyene chi system yesukuru mante badu mbaka Misiri sukuru. Njinga kino nyono mama mindono mwalimu arenga gatebringa tako Misiri sukuru sauri Matiang'i agosoka nisa chinde chionse. Chi sukuru badu mbaka Misiri sukuru kosomi. Ibaka somiri Matiang'i agachire class o interact na wanafunzi one on one. Omanyangi kere vitabu mbio obori amaswali system nja chagitego change. Someone who is on the ground, not in the office. Again, to the one siata correct, and the motor tomato watch full step chair, mago ria soete. No, Minister for Higher Education. There were no big changes. Second to your catameta careta, double intake. When we come to the security system, no change uniform. During the time of tenders, the abandoned at this tender banyo never correct to Yao. It stood firm, Tawete. Couldn't tender Chicana and Abaskari at once Bakanyode uniform. That firmness is what we need. When you want to dictator, yes, you better be a dictator, but you change your nation. Let me take you to countries like Qatar. Let the system you are very kings. The royal families rule. They change from one after the other. So the royal families know that this is our country. We love our country. That's why you go to those countries that are very beautiful. Like a country like Qatar, just go to it and see the changes they have made. City center chaona bako yagacha serikali yekwagacha yarend tadi wananchi bakwagacha. So when we have people who are firm and bako tabanya tuatebrenga Nairobi onye city center a building yo onye okwagacha a building yabwenta weka 20th floor onye ndo monster weka 20th floor umuntu abwenta kuba famu otebanga on yoboremo ose serikali ya koreki yagache. That's the only way you can experience a change. Tayo yokonda era wananchi boga wachenje birengereza. Let me tell you my friend Nani, we need firmness when it comes to development. And then toko gara ya bange wachenjia kwende ne chikatel. Onyoko ronyene bintu ronyene amagendra manga siro ko ronyene county ya Nairobi tari kende tari farm no monta ko so akaigo farm yese tabugati chikatesha ko so akaigo ronyesa kaja ko to juzi oniri kawe Nairobi county ya mosinyire oniri yonde baba mokonye ande turate kabisa nkiagere te bakaira ma Nairobi ne bugate Nairobi sells like a government. The revenue they collect from Nairobi is no joke. So tiganga baba open what to nkiagere te bakaira to function gete which is national government. What is the game being played here?
Propaganda. Akari okoranie enkwana yago yo mwere onsiye dakikayem.
Propaganda ego spread bwangu kubwekene, especially in politics ya Kenya. Igende ketana wente kumanya niki. Ebinte byo umusane yona koeresaga igoro ya chi uniform, igoro ye chi basi. They are very good things, but a style bi are koletwa, you know, we cannot say about ndo tenga firmness. Yet we are a democratic country. We are a democratic country to what a constitution whereby there is a process of how you implement things. Correct? Ebinte by they have been questioned before about the process through which these uniforms and the buses were brought about. Because there was no proper public. Do you ever see meetings anywhere that now, because these are matters of national
affordable housing, abantu bakuturo mishare payslip, public participation nje akoreta abantu bakabori unganto bakutore mishare be
sekunde merongere chokakore.
Public participation is a very important process in the implementation of some of these programs. Tia kole tugeratu yakobeka ruchi uniform chiaba basigari ne chibasi. Those are the things that bikogera Matiang'i umasikolekananga na acheko soego be president. Koba and rule Korea is not a very good thing. It might sound good, but to some extent it affects some people, especially in Kenya, because keromo Kenya na wate right yoko korua maoni ya ngana ki ntagete bono bakenya ne batagete be green mukabeka yellow
aso kokore sekunde ikomichoka
enjenge ntongo tebia gatochora baraya barongi no inche mona sani nkuru waringa bonya matuta ria ward nkorande abantu babwate magendre binte bike nga street rights security bya sara bya abantu biko bonwa obo para obo chorochoro bakega mbiri gokorwa empowerment yaba saiteri gokorunga bwene tene yabangina tiga abantu bachora bari exposed mokonya komyaka mwacho mono muri birego bya bwa MCA mokonya gochoro monto rabrio kamwacho monto exposed yana no nyengo chisikaria oros connection yoreta che yoreta chi investor abantu bakonya bangina abantu bakonya basai tiga tochora bari utambe bari exposed chibeno ene chiempi bari exposed anda bara iba imono mona bari gusi bakonya hotela matiangi tuoma abara iba ritia watote ibara gwa matiangi no yo itonto mo maente kere genta akore uyanga sinari kana gotebia bara gwa banya to watotebie inki bago shikokora na kikina tera tuwate process ya nomination ochie kiama inki bago shikokora onye gokorubunyo mwantu tona gwa msi yokoboria totebi inki yoko shikokora totebi onye kwarengo just to try think abantu bataranyora inki security etayo chiduka chia abantu chikokora ki chikobunwa oboko obuparo chipara chi amakoria makama kama abantu bagutumira inki stara baserukote chisane osonye kubwata onye kwarengo ronyo kwatikonyo kwarenge msi erimo ugateba abde agenda yawe ya muno kurusie kwerende gabana totebi komuruo gukobanya komorusi inki gwatoreteire inki gwatogeindiri tiga abantu bachore abari bari exposed tonyora amagendra bwendrete abantu banyora ko robura bukirase
Yamano mwancho morigeria ase okobwati muruberio oyo igase ngincho ye chinsa use chideka chato nyorire ngakiende ntorakora nkwane amange nara igaga nirwo kwanerwe asaboro no tokora ikira igabwo ase ngincho ye chinsa gwika ngakiende gendera kubati muruberende atigera seri tukorigima gwika eriankyo kolende ase chinsa chamogoro bana liturache tumbirane eritirane Ishmael Mogere.